To correctly use a virtual credit card from Capital One in 2025. Follow this step-by-step guide. First, understand what a virtual credit card is. It is a digital version of your physical credit card, with a unique card number, expiration date, and security code. Next, learn how to get a virtual credit card from Capital One. If you are an existing customer, you can log into your online account or mobile app and request a virtual card. If you are not a customer, you can apply for a credit card and then request a virtual version. Once you have your virtual credit card, understand how to use it. You can use it to make online purchases, pay bills, or subscribe to streaming services. When making a purchase, simply enter the virtual card number, expiration date, and security code at checkout. To keep your virtual credit card secure, use strong passwords and keep your online account information up to date. Also, be aware of phishing scams and never share your virtual credit card information with anyone. Another important aspect is managing your virtual credit card. You can do this by logging into your online account or mobile app and tracking your transactions, balance, and payment due dates. You can also set up account alerts and notifications to stay on top of your account activity. In case your virtual credit card is lost, stolen, or compromised, contact Capital One immediately to report the issue and request a replacement. This will help prevent unauthorized transactions and protect your account. Best practices for using a virtual credit card from Capital One include monitoring your account regularly, keeping your information up to date, and being cautious when making online transactions. By following these steps and tips, you can correctly use your virtual credit card and enjoy the benefits of secure and convenient online transactions.